Good morning, my ladies and my gents. I thought I'd do just kind of a short little update on the Chrysler 300. Spent yesterday afternoon. I wound up with some issues. The air conditioner had to get fixed yesterday, and it was about 1 o'clock when they finally got it done. And I spent about three and a half hours, and I accomplished this. It all goes together pretty smooth. One thing they tell you to do is to, when you're doing up, this is the breather and the air cleaners, they tell you do not cement this in place. When you actually get the engine into the frame, there's a piece that goes up under one of the air cleaners that you have to put in, and then this fits over the top of that, and you can't do it if that's on there. So it all, the instructions, oddly enough, let's see if I can get them out here. Um, the instructions show the fan belt to look like this. You don't have that. This whole part here is not there. What you have is this set here and coming up. So if you happen to look at it, just ignore that. Then you got this piece here, which is let's look at it, number 53. You read through, you come down, and it is uh, there it is, generator and power steering pump. And there's some other stuff that goes along with everything along the way when you get further and actually mount the motor. But got your oil filler cap and so forth. And these are the colors pretty much that the instructions have callouts for. And really, it's pretty nice. You even have a transmission fluid dipstick, and the breather back here, dual carbs. And if you look at it, it's even got the little fuel rail that goes between them. If you wanted to plumb it, you could maybe drill a tiny hole there and put a fuel line in it if you wanted. It's easy enough if you wanted to go that route and actually go through and drill out and add spark plug wires, but though you need a better distributor cap because that's kind of chintzy. But for what I'm doing, that's kind of hidden back there. And I'm not going to go. I'm going to do a quiet one because the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to hack apart that pickup truck until there's not much left of it and build me up a, a drag racer that is not quite NHRA ready. So yeah, they kind of look at it and go, "You want to do what?" So yeah, it's going to be kind of fun. But anyway, this is what you got. It's easy enough to go through to, detail up if you want, go a little bit more buggy with paint if you want. Um, whoops. But it goes together super easy. Uh, this is a kit that is a little unusual for Moebius in that I had to do a bunch of cleaning up of flashing. Not a lot of flashing, but enough that you had to do it, as well as some mold lines that had to be cleaned up. So, um, but that's unusual for Moebius. So, but yeah, there's that. That'll look kind of good sitting in the black engine compartment. The car's going to be black. So, um, one tip also I have learned on Moebius tells you to do all of this and put all this together. What I found works better is if you, when it comes time to put the wheel on, is you install this portion first onto the axle, and then you come put whichever set of wheels you want on it, and then work the tire over the wheel, and that way you don't get any kind of play or slop over here with this setup. A lot of the kits that have them that where you've got to put a little thingy inside for the to hold it, and it rotates around, that frequently doesn't get all the way on if you got the wheel together. So I found it just as a general practice, I put this together onto the axle, then I put this onto the wheel, and then I just slip the tire over, kind of like you would, like when you're installing a tire on a rim when you're down getting your car serviced. So, but anyway, I'm going to shut up because this has gone on enough. Be sure to go check out vcgresins.com. This kit isn't going to have anything in it, but the next one's going to be mostly VCG. So, anyway, go check them out. Promo code Jester10 lets Josh know that you're actually watching my videos. And anyway, I'm going to get out of here. This is long enough. B-Tex signing out.